Welcome to day 11 of our 28-day challenge. Today we're going to be letting go and unwinding, letting go of tension. And that tension has us tight like a spring. And we're going to allow that to unwind, releasing the tension. This is one of those exercises where you can't do it by looking at it. So you need to listen to my instructions. How it looks for me right now is not how it looks for me every time. It's not going to be how it looks for you one time or many times because it's release of tension. You're going to be tight in different areas. You're going to have stored tension in different areas. You're going to have years of stored tension, emotions, trauma in different parts of your body that I won't have. This exercise is called flowing breeze, swaying willow. If I soften my body from head to toe, and I do it again, breathing, relaxing, softening, releasing tension from head to toe, and I let my body drift. I let that tension unwind. And this is a skill that is simple, but it is not easy by any stretch. So you may have noticed my head starts to move because my neck was tense and I allowed it to start to move. My body intuitively wanted to, so maybe I encouraged it a little bit, but I'm now letting it happen. Maybe my shoulders would feel like they needed to move. Maybe my waist. I'm a little bit bound in the chair. Maybe I can walk on my sit bones. This is letting go and letting your energy flow. We're going to use butterfly dances in front of flowers to build up some momentum, to get us unwinding already. And we're going to use that momentum to help us continue to drift, continue to unwind. So let's start off. Forward bend, inhale, back, exhale, breathing in, breathing out, inhale, exhale, closing our eyes. Keep on going. And then just get looser, where you're doing less and less of the form of butterfly dances. Your hands are just doing whatever they're doing. We're just letting go. We're letting our body move forward and backward. And then just even stop doing that. Just soften completely. Let the body drift. Just soften. Relax. Scan for any tension and concentrate on relaxing that area more, or let go of that tension in that area more. Soften that area more. Right now it's my neck. So I'm concentrating on just softening my neck. Let go. Your whole body from head to toe. Soften. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in. If you feel a yawn coming on, yawn. That's your nervous system letting go. Sighs too, sighs of relief, sighs of satisfaction, humming, different emotions, crying, maybe shouting. Better out than in. If those stored emotions arise, let them out. This is why we are doing this in sanctuary, so that we can be free to fully do this. To unwind and release all of our tension. This is a stress relief exercise in every way, and that is the best way to explain this. And then at the end, we just come back to our seated position with our hands on our lap, and we slow down the unwinding. We let it wind down. So that we are simply sitting.